Trading day. Yeah, it's a new trading day. The date is June 9th, 2026. We're gonna go over the one trade I made today. Today I made $770 across my two accounts. Now this was a very interesting day. I'm not gonna lie. I was super unconfident in this. Not super unconfident in the trade. But I was very. I just have been feeling unconfident in myself. Is that even the word? Unconfident. I just haven't been feeling confident in myself in regards to trading recently. Um, yeah, you could literally see I took half this trade. I didn't even like take my full TP. My full TP was obviously down to here. Um, yeah, I wasn't feeling confident in this trade. Um, but I need to realize. I guess I do need to stick with my gut. I also need to start back testing. I haven't back tested in literally probably a month, which is really bad. I haven't back tested in so long, um, and that's not good. Like truly back tested. So yeah, that's one thing that I could tell you I need to work on already. But yeah, coming into this day, what did I see? Now, there's actually a lot of things I saw today. I'm actually recording this video super late. I don't know why this candle looks like this. What in the world? But yeah, coming in today, what did I see? All right, so for one thing that I saw. Wow, this is just not letting me. Whatever it's called, it's not letting me do this, huh? Let's see. How can I do this to where I still see it? Coming into the day, I saw. I think there was a 1 hour here. Boom, 1 hour here. 1 hour bearish or 1 hour unfilled here. Oh no, this was tapped once, but I still saw it as a key level. I didn't see crazy key levels close that were below. Um, Now in regards of single taps and stuff like that, I mark them brown. So that if that helps you, I don't know if that's gonna help you, but there's also a 4 hour that we were in, and then a 4 hour above. Bang. I don't know what these lines are, by the way. I Oh wow, this is like really old stuff that I used to mark. That's crazy. But yeah, we had this below here. Oops. Or we had that unfilled or single tapped above, and we had this 4 hourly above. Bang. Okay. Now coming into the day, um, like I said, I wasn't too confident today. I'm not gonna lie. We did have CPI, which was really bad. Um, I did wake up early for that, and nothing really happened. Didn't trade it, of course. Um, it didn't really make a difference in my trading at all. When was it? It was right here. This was CPI right here. These candles. So it wasn't very much. But yeah, coming to today, it was actually looking very clean. I'll be honest. Um, right off market open, it was looking pretty clean. We were instantly going up into this unfilled 15 that I forgot to mark out. There was an unfilled 15. The whole market is looking super weird right now. I don't know why it's looking like this. But there's an unfilled 15, I guess, right, yeah, right here. Wait, no. I don't know why it's looking like this. Right here. This should be the unfilled 15, yeah. Trade of 8 is glitching a little bit, so that's super unfortunate. But I'm going to try to explain this to the best of my abilities. Okay, like I said, we traded into this brown line right here is a unfilled 15 minute. We traded straight into this unfilled 15 minute. Price obviously started rejecting off of that. That made me realize that it could be bearish. But it's super weird because if you hop on the 15-minute time frame, you could see, oh my gosh, all this right here is just it's just straight up. So I was like, I don't know. It looks like price is gonna be bullish for today. But then we traded into this 15 minute, as you can see here. Strong rejection. Look at this wick. So there's a valid trade. Apparently, this was a valid trade on the 30 second. There's a 30-second inversion here. It's pretty big. Boom. Comes into the 15 minute. Has rejection, 30-second inversion. Some people took this all the way down to this hourly, all the way down, all the way down. here, which is insane. That kudos to you if you took that. But I did see this 1 minute inverse, but it didn't look strong enough for me. It looked kind of weird. I didn't like it that much. But if you took that, congratulations. That was you banked out. But what was I looking for? Price was obviously coming down. It made inverse to 5 towards the downside, inverse to 4 towards the downside, inverse a 3 as well. Yep, towards the downside, inverse a 1 and a 2, all that. Inverse everything towards the downside. So I knew, okay, bet. It's probably going to be shorts, right? After it inversed all those, it's probably going to be shorts. So what did I look for? I looked for a inversion on the smaller on the lower time frame, like a 1 minute, 1 to 2 minute inversion towards the downside, because I obviously missed this. So what do I see? Comes down like this and makes it makes a bullish and a bearish for value gap, inverses it towards the upside, right? So when I saw that, I didn't love that very much. But then with this bullish candle, it made a fair value gap. When it made this fair value gap, I saw that it inversed it pretty strong. But I had some PTSD from what happened yesterday, so I waited for some more confirmation. It inversed this fair value gap, or I'm sorry, it came back through. So it inversed it here, right? Inverse is bullish. Boom, came down, and I was like, okay, now all I needed to do is come back up, show some rejection, and go all the way down. It came up, it went through it, so I was like, okay, I'm glad I didn't enter. And then when I saw it rejecting off of this 3 minute here, or it couldn't even get up to this 3 minute over here, I was like, valid. There's a 3 minute above. We just inversed everything to the downside. This is going to be shorts. It couldn't get higher. It closed like this. It started going down, so I entered here. Um, and when I entered, price started moving slow, whatever. I like I said, I've been feeling super. I haven't been feeling super confident lately in my trading. Um, I saw that, my P&L was up 1,400. I'll be honest, like this. I'll be honest. My mindset was cooked during this trade, and so I just took my profits halfway in. This would have been probably like a 3K trade. I'm not gonna lie. If I held towards my actual TP, especially if I held towards this hourly too. Um, but yeah, inversed it, tapped back in, showed rejection, started coming down, entered right here, and took my profit. Should I have held? Yes, but you live and you learn. And I just had a really bad losing day, and I didn't want to risk losing anymore, so I took my profit. 1,400 on a day, or 1,500 on a day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a kind of a crazy trade. If someone took this, like I said, congratulations to you, because this is look how deep look how, oh my gosh, look how low it went. I'm not gonna lie, this is insane. If you held this, you're him. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, that's basically it. Um, took my low hanging fruit, took my small piece of the pie, got out, and yeah. Now, if I was more comfortable, feeling more comfortable that day, I probably would have banged out 3K trade on a day, maybe even more. Um, but yeah, that's basically it. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any advice in the comment section, please, if you have any advice, please leave in the comment section below. And yeah, sorry that this video is coming out so late. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully I see you guys one more time at least this week. I've been training about 3 times a week, so we'll see. Two. I traded 2 days in a row though, which is crazy. That rarely happens. Rarely happens. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good one.